Uganda is at a very strategic location in the Great Lakes region. We're surrounded by countries that are developing markets. So we are well positioned to manufacture different products which we can sell to the region. And the public and private sector have come together to achieve sustainable development through industrialization, and industrial parks and free trade zones development in Uganda has a number of stakeholders, including the Uganda Free Zones Authority and the Ministry of Local Government as well, to develop these parks in the different districts of Uganda.
The target of all this is to see how best we can create opportunities so as to create jobs and increase productivity. At the end of the day, increase household incomes.
This is to enable the free zones to be competitive on the global stage. And Uganda uses this as a policy development tool to make exports possible so that we can close the trade balance over time.
During this mission, we were able to come along with the Free Zones Authority, UNCDF, Trademark Africa, which is the main funder for this initiative. And we were able to interact with the local governments, cementing the relationship and also giving them a framework on how they need to duplicate this when they're operating within their localities.
Trademark Africa, formerly known as Trademark East Africa, is an aid for trade agency. Our principle is that should people trade, one, there will be prosperity and there will be peace. So one of the ways of fostering prosperity is to ensure that you remove all the barriers to trade or minimize them. That's our basic principle.
We are ready as Jinja District, and our only suggestion is please involve us in marketing our industrial hub. It is ours.
We had an engagement. We are looking at the free zones we are remaining with at the investment park. And as a district, which is now financially constrained, so we look at that as an opportunity to see that we shall raise revenue and our communities are in relation to our vision, which is prosperous people, harmonious community and attractive district.
The free zone in Jinja has already available power, industrial power and the water nearby, because we are just a few meters away in the same industrial zone next to Chira Motors. This, lucky enough, has already feasibility with the support of Trademark East Africa then and now Trademark Africa, where the feasibility gives us, shows us an opportunity to establish textile and garment free zone.
We proceeded to Busitema University, where we talked about textile and apparel value chain development. This was a very eye-opening visit.
It's the only institution which offers that specialty in processing cotton up to a certain level that is acceptable.
And if you look at our master plan, we have also planned for industries to be part of the general university infrastructure. So the coming of board of this technical working group is extremely important, as it will help us to continue to contribute to national development through provision of human capital for the various aspects, various areas of industrialization. And also, as you know, we host quite a big number of students. These students will be getting opportunities for internship as a result of this.
So we visited also a site in Tororo, a greenfield site, close to the border. And we are going to look at the merits of accessibility, access to markets, if that site is feasible. So this is just the beginning by this coalition of the willing, which involves the public sector, like I mentioned, private sector. We've got Stanbic, we've got NSSF participating, and we feel that we have to create an alignment of interests for all the stakeholders.